Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Vision, where we dive deep into the cars that make driving feel alive again. Today, we're talking about the 2026 Mazda 3. Yeah, that sleek little rocket that's been turning heads since it first hit the scene. Now, refreshed with even more panache for the new year. Whether you're eyeing the sedan for that clean, elegant vibe or the hatchback for some practical punch, this compact champ punches way above its weight class. It's got that rare blend of sporty soul and everyday smarts that makes you forget you're in a budget-friendly ride. Let's peel back the layers and see why the Mazda 3 isn't just another car, it's an experience. You're rolling up to a stoplight, and heads turn because the 2026 Mazda 3 looks like it was sculpted by artists who moonlight as engineers. Mazda's Kodo design language, the soul of motion, is all about fluid lines and subtle drama. Think a low-slung profile with sharp creases that catch the light just right, giving it a premium coupe-like stance without the coupe price tag. The sedan's four-door setup flows seamlessly from hood to trunk, measuring about 183 inches long, while the hatchback adds that versatile liftgate for easy loading, stretching to 175 inches of cargo space when the seats fold flat. Up front, the signature grille sits bold but not aggressive, flanked by slim LED headlights that slice through the night like laser beams. And those wheel options? From 16-inch alloys on the base trim to 18-inch black metallic beauties on the Carbon edition. They hug the ground with 225/4 R18 tires that scream performance without whispering gas guzzler. Let's talk interior. Pop the door, easy entry with frameless windows, and you're greeted by an interior that feels like it belongs in a luxury brand showroom, not a starter compact. Soft touch materials wrap the dash and doors, with available red or grayish leather seats that hug you like a custom-tailored suit. The front buckets are supportive yet plush, with 8-way power adjustments and heating on higher trims to chase away those winter chills. Rear passengers? They've got 35 inches of legroom in the sedan, plenty for adults on a road trip, and the hatchback throws in a bit more headroom for taller folks. It's quiet in here too, thanks to acoustic glass and sound-deadening tricks that muffle road noise to a whisper. Storage is thoughtful. Deep door pockets, a hidden bin under the armrest, and up to 20 cubic feet of cargo in the hatch with seats down. Unique touch? That optional Bose 12-speaker system. It's not just audio, it's a concert hall on wheels, pumping crystal clear sound through strategically placed woofers that make every playlist feel immersive. Now, let's talk tech, because the Mazda 3's cockpit is like your smartphone on steroids. Intuitive, connected, and always a tap away. At the heart is the 8.8-inch Mazda Connect touchscreen, running a slick interface that's more physical knobs than frustrating swipes, so you stay eyes on the road. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto mean your phone's navigation and tune sync seamlessly, no cables tangled in the cup holders. Voice commands via Alexa built-in let you crank the AC or find the nearest coffee without lifting a finger. And the available wireless charging pad keeps your device juiced up. Dive deeper, and you've got a head-up display projecting speed and nav cues onto the windshield, plus a 360-degree camera on top trims that makes parallel parking feel like child's play. It's all tied together with Mazda's Connected Services app. Remote start your car from the grocery store parking lot or check if you left the lights on. For 2026, they've smoothed out the software even more with faster boot times and over-the-air updates that keep things fresh without a dealership visit. Yet under 80 tier is where the Mazda 3 really shines. Behind the wheel, it's a driver's delight that reminds you why we fell in love with cars in the first place. Fire up the standard 2.5-liter Sky-Active G4 cylinder, and you've got 186 horsepower and the same torque on tap. Smooth as silk with a naturally aspirated growl that builds eagerly through the revs. Paired to a 6-speed automatic that's as intuitive as your favorite playlist, it shifts with precision. Or flip to manual mode for those twisty back roads. Want more? The turbocharged 2.5-liter option unleashes 227 horses on regular gas or a full 250 with premium. Backed by 320 pound-feet of twist that catapults you from 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds. Turbo lag? What's that? This engine's dynamic pressure tech spoos up instantly like it reads your mind. Front-wheel drive is standard and nimble, but opt for iActive all-wheel drive on the Carbon Edition or Turbo trims, and it proactively shuffles power to the wheels that need it most, turning rain-slicked highways into confidence boosters. Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus is the secret sauce. Subtly tweaks engine torque and brakes mid-corner for that planted neutral feel, making every curve feel like it's begging for more. Ride-wise, it's compliant over potholes, but taut enough for spirited runs, with EPA estimates hitting 27 city, 36 highway for the sedan FWD. Real-world efficiency that won't have you hunting stations every hour. And for the purists, a 6-speed manual is back on select turbo models. Rows with a short, satisfying throw that puts a grin on your face. Safety. Mazda doesn't skimp. It's baked in like the premium feel. Every 2026 3 comes with iActive Sense goodies, smart brake support that auto-applies if you're daydreaming at a light, blind spot monitoring with steering wheel vibes to wake you up, and lane keep assist that gently nudges you back without wrestling the wheel. Higher trims add adaptive cruise with traffic jam assist, basically hands-free commuting in stop-and-go chaos, and rear cross traffic alert that beeps like a paranoid friend when backing out of spots. It earned a 5-star NHTSA crash rating and IHS Top Safety Pick Plus honors, thanks to a rigid Skyactiv body that's 30% high-strength steel for crumple zone magic without sacrificing that agile chassis. Trims start accessible at around $24,550 for the base 2.5-second sedan, loaded with essentials like dual-zone climate and an 8-speaker stereo, climbing to $36,740 for the Turbo Premium Plus ATH with all-wheel drive and all the bells. The Carbon Edition at $30,000 steals the show with its edgy polymetal gray paint, red leather, and standard all-wheel drive for under $31,000 out the door. No matter the build, you're getting upscale without the upcharge. Think Audi refinement at Toyota money. So why the 2026 Mazda 3 in the sea of bland commuters? It's the one that sparks joy, the car that makes your daily drive feel like a weekend adventure, blending razor-sharp handling, tech that anticipates your needs, and a design that's as timeless as it is thrilling. If you're shopping compacts, test drive one. It'll ruin you for the rest. Drop a comment. Sedan or hatch for you? Hit like, subscribe for more honest reviews, and I'll catch you on the next spin.